This is how it is now. This isn't how it's supposed to be at the end.
Okay.
This will be the end.
That's the end right here?
Yeah. So like watch.
Oh.
So looks like after number 4 for the top.
It should be done.
Yeah, after that one you'll be done, but we do still have aligners that you'll wear just to keep it in that place. So
Okay.
basically 5 through 10 will be like retainers on the top.
Okay, cool. I'm on my way to work, right? I walk in my car won't turn on. Just watch this. This just can't be real. I looked it up. It said, turn on your car alarm, hold it for 5 seconds, and then lock it twice. All right, so I'm gonna turn my car on. I turn my car alarm on right now. Turn it on. I want y'all to see this light. This is crazy. Y'all let me know if a car alarm's supposed to sound like that. I'm gonna lock my door right now. Look. The dealership open at 9, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're gonna take it to the dealership. Wait. How in the hell am I gonna take it to the dealership? The car won't even turn up. All right, y'all, I just woke up from a nap. So I haven't checked on my car. Oh, I gotta get my keys. Let's see if this is gonna work today, cause no, I'm not even trying to check if it's gonna work. I know it's not gonna work, but let's just see, just in case. All right, I'm gonna do the beep test to lock my door. Here we go. Hey, don't get on me though. I know my car is dirty. I'm getting a car wash. I already text my car detailer, so he's coming soon. But look. Okay. See, that's back working now. That's what it's supposed to sound like. Like, you see this little key right here? That's my key mobilizer. Like, that's what it's showing what's wrong with my car. So earlier I read the owner's manual, so I'm gonna show y'all too what it says. Key or remote transmitter cannot be recognized by the vehicle. If the indicator blinks, you may not be able to start the engine. Turn the vehicle off and then on again. If it continues to blink, there may be a problem with the system. See your dealer. Bro, that was not helpful at all. Like, y'all really could have just said, all right, my car messed up. You got to go see the dealer. All right, y'all, look. So she got this nice shirt on, but she ain't got no short. She got an interview right now.
The interview's on Zoom.
But they might ask you.
They're not going to ask me to stand up.
Can you please stand up, man? Let me see you.
Any interview you had, did they ask you? Yeah, stand up though.
You never know what might happen. All right, y'all, but I was supposed to be at work right now. She has an interview with all these jobs. But I'm over here staying home, so we're gonna make a day out of it. I gotta call Honda.
I'm glad you're home.
I know. Gotta call Honda. You gotta get your nails done today.
Yeah?
Yeah, come on now. Get your nails done, get a pedicure today. See, look, you can make it a whole day out of it, then we'll go to the movie. That's the day. All right, y'all, so look. We got all this Fairlife yesterday from Sam's Club. So we got a chocolate, got a vanilla one. And we got another vanilla one in here. All right, y'all. The vanilla one tastes like melted ice cream. Literally. It don't even taste like protein at all. So I'm just putting y'all on right now. They got 2 grams of sugar in it, 150 calories, and 30 grams of protein. All right, honey, we'll take my car. All right, again, one more time. All right, good, we not taking my car. So the tow truck is coming. It's 48 minutes away right now. We're stopping at Portillo's. Yes. Got the best hot dogs, sandwiches here, so. Woo! I needed that refreshment right there. Boy, right? Hey. Hey.
You don't gonna ask me if I'm okay? You just gonna say, hey, like an old man.
Cause you know COVID's still around.
Starting now.
Well, I guess that was it. My battery, it gave out.
Time for a new battery.
Just time for a new battery?
Yeah, cause it's charging it up. Hold on.
All right. So yeah, I guess I just need a new battery.
That battery's bad. Turn it off.
All right.
I try to turn it back on. See?
Oh.
Battery's done. Can I do it now? Do it again. You need a new battery.
The battery done. All right. I'm just drive over to Honda right now and just tell them I need a new battery. Man, I love this car, man, but you never know what you have until it's gone. So, man, did I feel that effect like quick. All right, family, I finally got my car back. It feels so good. I got a new battery in it, but it cost me $200 later. So, but it's cool though. I needed it. I call it my money maker right in my car. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go watch a movie. Pick my girl up from the nail salon, and then I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. All right. Peace. Dollar store. We get our snacks for the movie.
Period.
For the snacks.
You can't really see too well.
But let me know if this looks suspicious. Cause like this don't look suspicious.
It don't. Cause I'm supposed to do carry with my other arm.